Hey guys, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go over today's lesson. We talked about this idea of, okay, so first let's go with the picture, okay? So if I have a line, okay, so you should already be thinking linear equation. If I have a line and I ask you, what do you notice about that point, right? That's a point. What do you notice about that point? And then I ask you, do you think that point satisfies, does that point satisfy the line? So together with what do you notice about this point, and does it satisfy the line? You would say, well, no. And I would say, well, why? And what I heard today is it doesn't fit the line. It doesn't complete the line. Right? It's not part of the line. It's not part of the story. So that's what we're talking about today. We were talking about if I give you a line, which you know is a linear equation, right? If I give you y equals mx plus b, can you check to see if a point fits the line? If a point lies on the line, right? I want this point, these points. Now, think about this. So you already know all that, right? So if I give you y equals mx plus b, right? Well, isn't that a line? Right? It's a line. So if I ask you, well, how about this x and y? How about this point? Does it fit? Well, if this is a point, right, can't I just put this y in here and see if it will fit? And can't I put that x in there and see if it'll fit? So instead of saying fit on the interim, it's going to ask, does it satisfy? So what you would do is you would test out your equation. So here we have an example, y equals 4x minus 5. And so what you want to do is you want to substitute your point. You want to substitute the point that they give you. So if this is x and this is y, to substitute, I always want you to use placeholders. So you know that your x is going to go here and your y is going to go here. So 3 equals 2, or 4 times 2 minus 5. Now here's what I want you to do now. On the next line down, I want you to simplify. So what you do is, did we use the parentheses? No. So you bring down what you didn't use. And then 4 times 2, that's 8 minus 5. So here what you're seeing, we're going to simplify again. So 3 equals 8 minus 5 is 3. And so what you notice here is that this is true. Right? 3 is 3. And so you would say, therefore, the ordered pair 2, 3 does satisfy. That means fit. It does fit or complete or lie on the linear equation. Which one? Y equals 4x minus 5. Because this is a true statement. Right? Now, let's do another example. What if I said, okay, well, how about 1, 5? Does that point fit the line? So what you're going to do is you're going to substitute for x and y. And so on the interim, on the s back, they're going to do this. They're going to say, okay, check this point. Can you check if this one fits? And so you're going to have to test each one. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to do it over here, as small as I can. So y equals 4x minus 5. Placeholders, I'm not going to put y. I'm going to put my point. 4. Oops, not x. Why would I put x back in, right? Placeholder minus 5. Okay, so what's the point that I was checking? Wasn't it 1, 5? So isn't this x and that y? So 1 goes in here and 5 goes in here. Let's see if this point fits. Let's see if this point satisfies the linear equation. Okay? So then what you would do is 5 equals, simplify. This means simplify. 4 times 1 is 4. Bring down what you don't use, minus 5. Okay, let's simplify some more. 5 equals, what's 4 minus 5? Be careful. Can you take away 5 from 4? No. So what's 5 minus 4? Is 1, negative 1. So you have more negatives, right, than you do positives. You overspent. Okay, so anyways, be careful with your integers. And then here, is it true that 5 equals 1 or negative 1? No. So therefore you would say 1, 5 does not satisfy the equation. Okay, but remember, I made this up right here. I just picked a point because I want you to know that on your interim and tomorrow on your quiz, you're not going to pick that as an answer, but you will pick that one, right? Because it gave you a true statement. It said that 3 equals 3. Wow. That 3 equals 3, and that's true. Does 5 equal negative 1? No. Okay, so this would not be a good answer, but that would. All right, so did this one satisfy? Yes. All right. Okay, let's do this one. Y equals 9x. Placeholders, y equals 9 times x. Well, what's my point? 0, 0. That's x, that's y. Okay, what goes in for y? 0. What goes in for x? 0. Simplify. Anytime you simplify, you need to go to the next line. Did you use your parentheses? No. So you have 0 equals, right? 0 equals 0. Oops, my pen went away. And that is true. Because that's a true statement, you're going to say that 0, 0 does satisfy. Okay, let's prove it by a graph. I need to graph y equals 9x. How the heck are you going to graph that? Where is your beginning? 9x, y equals mx plus what? What is there but not there, but it's there? 0. Oh, so I start here. Okay, cool. So then I got to go, I got to rise 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and run 1. And there, oops, there is my line. Is 0, 0 on the line? Yeah, that's where it begins. So 0, 0 satisfies y equals 9x. 0, 0, the point fits where? On the line. And that's all you have to do. Remember your placeholders, okay? So don't forget to put your placeholders for y and x. Oh yeah, and you need to go up to Smart Score 70, okay? Smart Score 70. All right. Whew, I'm tired. Have a great week, or not weekend. Look at, I'm already like on the weekend. All right, and if you need help, you need to come to lunch and get tutoring, or come after school, watch all the homework videos. Okay, bye guys.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah, okay.